Join me as I put the DJI Avata 3 to the test and see if I can master drone racing at its craziest speeds. In this video, we'll explore how the DJI Avata 3 is revolutionizing the world of drone racing with its incredible speed and agility. Drone racing is an exhilarating experience that requires a combination of skill, strategy, and the right equipment. However, many drone racers struggle with speed and maneuverability, which often limits their performance and enjoyment in competitive racing. The difficulty in navigating tight courses and maintaining high speeds can be frustrating, especially when you're up against experienced pilots. Additionally, the physical demands of drone racing can be intense, requiring quick reflexes and precise control. As a result, many racers are constantly on the lookout for ways to improve their skills and gain a competitive edge. There's a growing demand for drones that can deliver exceptional speed, agility, and responsiveness, and that's exactly where the DJI Avata 3 comes in. We'll take a closer look at the features that set the DJI Avata 3 apart, including its advanced stabilization technology, lightweight design, and high-performance motors. The Avata 3 boasts an impressive top speed of 87 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest drones on the market. Its advanced stabilization system ensures that it can maintain its speed and agility even in the most challenging racing conditions. The drone's lightweight design also allows for increased maneuverability and responsiveness, making it perfect for tight courses and hairpin turns. Moreover, its high-performance motors provide the power and efficiency needed to sustain high speeds and perform complex aerial stunts. The Avata 3's advanced stabilization technology is particularly noteworthy, as it allows pilots to focus on speed and agility rather than worrying about stability. This feature is especially useful for new pilots who may not have the skills or experience to navigate challenging courses. The drone's lightweight design is also a major advantage, as it enables pilots to fly for longer periods without fatigue. Furthermore, the Avata 3's high-performance motors are designed to provide maximum power and efficiency, making them ideal for high-speed racing. The moment we've all been waiting for, watch as the DJI Avata 3 showcases its insane speed in a thrilling racing demonstration that you won't want to miss. Get ready to see the Avata 3 in action as it takes on a challenging course filled with tight turns, narrow tunnels, and steep dives. With its advanced stabilization technology and high-performance motors, the Avata 3 is able to maintain incredible speeds and perform death-defying stunts with ease. You'll be on the edge of your seat as the Avata 3 pushes the limits of drone racing and redefines what's possible in aerial speed and agility. The Avata 3's speed and agility are truly unmatched, and it's clear why it's quickly become a favorite among professional drone racers. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, the Avata 3 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their drone racing skills to the next level. With its advanced features and impressive performance, the Avata 3 is sure to provide hours of thrilling entertainment in competitive racing. The Avata 3's impressive performance is not limited to its speed and agility, but also its durability and reliability. The drone is built to last, with a rugged design that can withstand the rigors of high-speed racing. Its advanced stabilization technology also helps to reduce the risk of crashes and damage, making it a great choice for pilots of all skill levels. Whether you're racing competitively or just flying for fun, the Avata 3 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance drone that can deliver exceptional speed and agility. To sum up, the DJI Avata 3 not only meets the demands of drone racing enthusiasts but also pushes the boundaries of what's possible in aerial speed and agility. Its advanced features, impressive performance, and durability make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their drone racing skills to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other drone reviews and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.